guys, we're back with L.O.L. Under Wraps. I've got a little zipper pull.
It's nice that they show you where the thing is.
Does it work? No.
She's making a streamer. More to unwrap under it. Oh
Bears would love this plastic.
Okay, one down.
Here's this to show it's a little secret. And it says look for clues and...
Oh, hold up. I'm looking for clues. There's a G right there. G, news. Lots of G's. And newspaper under there. An O. Lots of O's on that side. Okay, open it up.
That didn't work. Next layer. All this plastic though. I'm not fond of all this plastic.
You got it seriously secured in there.
Here's the clue. You're gonna need the magnifying glass.
Up. Plus mountain. Oh. On top of the mountain.
Here's codes.
More codes.
Here's the instructions. Georgia got one of these and she loves it. And this is what it looks like.
You might need the codes to open it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got crown, diamond.
Okay, no.
We got clover, kitty.
Nope.
Wait, is there another opener thing? There's one right there
I know.
too, so you have to put one in one and one in the other probably.
Nope. We just gotta find the right one for each one.
Okay, so we
Oh,
got...
I found one. This one was sunshine and clouds.
It's odd that that's not even on here.
Go there. Now we just gotta...
A fire and a snowflake.
Yeah. Just going...
A piece and a heart. And
Oh,
candy.
this one's sweet and sour. Candy and a lemon, I think it is.
Yeah, that's the next one I was going to tell you.
There's that one. I'm just gonna...
There's a cloud in the sun. And there's the last one.
I'm trying the candy. No.
Surprise inside. Yay!
We can go ahead and start opening. There's that one. This one was crown jewels. Let's see what this one might be.
Yeah, this one is a little cup.
That one's not fire.
A little green lid.
No. This one is peace and love. You can make it into like a little purse.
Oh, that's cool. Nobody will steal your crap unless they steal the whole thing.
Make it into a little bag right
So
here.
these are some little shoes, it looks like.
See? No bag.
Cute. A little tiny. Oh, go the wrong way.
And then there's
kind of like Ugg boots.
the doll. There's another accessory. And then we got the checklist.
And here's a little hat.
Nice size checklist. Look at all those dolls you can get. Some of them are for another series, so they'll say on the way, on my way for the next series.
They have a little tiny mannequin in the outfit. It's a cute
That's
little
cute.
outfit. Go with her cute little hat and her cup. It's a little tiny mannequin.
Here's the doll. It comes in this little weird
doll case.
Yeah.
It's like a ram.
That's why I said up the mountain.
Ah, that makes sense.
You can like take the eyes out and keep it as a little thing. She's cute. Now I just gotta get her off. Get her out of it.
It's her snowsuit.
It is like getting a kid out of a snowsuit.
Impossible.
She is so stinking cute. Okay, let's see which one we got.
That one right there.
Big City Baby. Okay, so they can either, let's see.
Let's dip her first.
See if she color changes. Nope, not in hot water. Nope, she does not color change. We're gonna see what she does. You can fill her with water with the bottle, but it's so much easier. I think she's gonna cry. Or, I don't know what she's doing. Apparently she didn't get enough water.
I'm gonna dip this hot cup of coffee in here and see what happens to it.
I think she's gonna cry.
It did not color change either.
Oh no, she's a surprise. My bad.
She's a surprise?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means she squirts water out of her ears.
Interesting.
Yeah. She squirts water out of her ears.
This one also does not color change in the cold water.
Yeah, sometimes they don't, which is okay.
Not doing anything in the hot.
Whew. Trying to show the camera that she cried. She like
Shoots water out of her ears.
yeah. There we go.
That also does not color change in cold water.
So we got a surprise ear shooter.
Wow.
Look, her head got deformed.
I get soft. Here, put this on her head.
Let's get her dressed. I'll probably give this to Dee Dee. She likes these.
That did not color change either. Neither do the shoes.
Where's the hat? We're making a mess on your desk.
Shoes do not color change either.
Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Here's your shoes.
I need to get more of these. I almost got something, but it was like $30. I'm like, no, I'll get this one. It's like $15, almost $16 for this.
It's just crazy that once you're all done opening, it's just this little doll.
She's so cute. And she got little pink shoes to match her hair.
And her coffee cup.
Yep.
Her coffee cup is not pink. She just matches it.
And then you can just store everything back in here.
Better put her big outfit
I
on.
don't think I want to keep that. Maybe Dee Dee does. It's weird looking. It's a big old rubber piece.
It also does not color change.
And Dee Dee lost the codes to her, so I was...
Here they come. Did you hear them?
Mm-hmm. She's got gold.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if this will fit. There we go. And then you can just take it with you.
Wherever you go. I still think the little mannequin is the cutest part.
Dee Dee will like this. Hi, what are you doing? don't even know what time it is.
I can't say it because this video will get deleted.
You going pee?
You gotta go
No, this
potty.
video's not getting deleted.
Go to the bathroom. Everybody uses the
Alright.
bathroom, Slade.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
So, I just dropped something.
Oh shit.
It was the magnifying glass.
Oh. Oops.
I got this like big old thing of.
Oh, this is a sticker.
Yeah.
These are stickers.
I got the long thing of plastic on my lid. Yes. Probably gonna do another video on Saturday.
I'm pretty sure she's forcing me to go to some Halloween.
Yes, I am. She needs to get out and have fun. It'll be fun.
Get out and have fun all the time without children. You said the toilet clogged.
Okay.
Bye.
See you guys later.